Hello everyone, today you have joined the DT Creative Elk YouTube channel or hard disk drive in your Windows computer. I hope this video is helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Now if you see the task manager like this, all you need to do is click on this arrow here and that will expand the view. And once you're here, click on the Performance tab. The top, and in here you can see our disk. So we have disk 0 and we have disk 1. And as you can see here, the disk 1 is the SSD, and in that disk I have the drive C, and in here I have an HDD or hard disk drive, and in that drive I have the drive D. Now if we click on the SSD, you can see that the model number is also showing up in here, and it is Elixir 256 GB, and in here you can also check the capacity of your SSD, and in my case it is 239 GB, which is basically 250 GB SSD, and that is how you can check if you have an SSD. I'm going to show you how to check if you have an SSD or HDD in your Windows 10 computer. Now what you have to do first is right-click on the taskbar and then click on Task Manager.